Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name's Melissa, and today what we're going to do is we're going to play with the new Sigma Untamed palette. That's what it looks like on the inside. And I'm just going to see what type of look I can come up with playing with this new palette. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to clip up my hair real quick. And I'm going to take off my glasses. Now, this palette, just a little bit about it while I'm putting on my Milani eye primer. It's like the palettes that Sigma has been bringing out, the Enchanted and the Corderosa. If you know anything about them too, it's the same format. And the design of it, the front of it has a little bit of like felt. I'll show it to you in just a minute. And it looks really cool, but just beware, it might attract lint and dust. I've had to dust mine off a couple of times where it's like gotten a little bit of lint and dust on it. But it looks super cute. Alright, so like I said, it's got the felt on it. And it's got a big mirror. And then you have your 14 shades. Yeah, I think 14 shades. And it also comes with a brush. And it is like their brushes that they sell. They don't sell you they don't put a cheaper brush in here. It's got the E38 diffuse crease brush and the E54 medium sweeper. I love putting on shimmers with the medium sweeper, and this is a great transition shade brush. I always go in with this one first. I use all the ones that I've gotten in my other palettes all the time. I love them. So they're going to give you a great brush with it. So pretty much just this is half of the price. If you would have bought these by themselves, it would be half of the price of the palette, just about. They have the colors and the names of the colors on the back, which is really cool. And yeah, I'm just super excited about it. I'm going to see what kind of look I can come up with real quick. So first I'm going to go in with boho right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease. I know I love the Corderosa, is like super pretty, and I think they've done a great job at their new palette so far. We'll see how it performs. Alright, I'm taking the Sigma E27 detailed blending brush, and I'm going to take Camouflage right here, and I'm going to put that on both my outer corners. Wow, that's pigmented. I'm going to take Envy right here on the other side, the E54 medium sweeper, and I'm going to put that on the other half of my lid. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm going to take a cotton round, some micellar water, just clean up any of my lines. Alright, I'm going to take the Pretty Fresh Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Primer from ColourPop. Alright, I'm taking the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. And I have shade Light 55N. I'm taking my BK Beauty 101 brush and I'm going to blend that out. I'm taking the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Concealer, Creamy Concealer in Fair 20N. And I'm going to put that under my eyes. And I'm going to take my concealer brush to blend it in. I'm taking the Revlon Color Stay Pressed Powder in Translucent. And I'm going to put that on my under eyes. Taking my Maybelline City Bronzer in 200. Going under my chin and down my neck. I'm taking the Essence, the blush in 20 Bespoke. I'm going to put that on my cheeks. I'm going to go over my nose so I can look sunburnt and sun-kissed. Taking the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. And I'm going to put that on the high points of my cheeks. Now above my brow, above my other brow, down my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. I'm going to take this ColourPop E10 pencil brush And I'm going to take that same camouflage shade and I'm going to put that underneath my lash line, my lower lash line. I'm going to take this Alomar little flat brush and I'm going to go into Spirit right here. And I'm going to put that on my inner corner. That didn't really show up good, so I went into Hustle and put that as my inner corner highlight. The other one wasn't showing up as good as I wanted, so. Alright, I'm going to put on a little bit of Essence Lash Princess. I'm going to take the Milani Ludicrous Matte Lip Crayon in Can't Even. I'm going to put that on my lips. I'm putting this Nature's Cartel VCR Static Gloss. I'm going to put that on my lips as well. Taking the Maybelline Glass Spray, Makeup Finishing Spray. And I'm going to spray my face. Alright, well this is the final look with the Sigma Untamed palette. And I think that it turned out wonderful. I'm really loving it. My eye look just looks beautiful. I love the green. You know how I love green. And that glass spray, it really made my face shine. So it definitely did what it says in its name. Made my face look like glass. But anyways, yeah, I enjoyed this palette. I think that it blended well. The shimmers did great going on with the dry brush. And everything just worked out perfect. I think that it's a great palette. I would definitely recommend if you're looking into getting a palette like this to get the Sigma Untamed. I think that it'd be a great palette for fall. It's got beautiful fall colors. You also have the purple in there that's kind of a little bit of a wild card that you could wear. I mean, me, I'd wear it anytime, but you know, you could also have it go into spring as well with the purples. So I think this is kind of an all-around palette that just works wonderful, and you wouldn't be sorry if you picked it up, I'm sure. Alright, so I guess that's going to be all. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe so you can become a part of our family here on YouTube. Also ring the bell so you can be notified of my amazing content when it comes up. And I guess that's going to be all for me. So I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.